Hey everybody, Jason Sloan here with Furtado Law Solutions. Sorry I'm running a couple minutes late. Need to get a little bit more info for you guys. So today we're talking about financing. And so I've done quite a bit of research into a few different companies. Watched Dimitri's video. His was about GreenSky and Enhancify. Enhancify actually changed a few things. So let's get right into it. The companies I looked into was GreenSky, Service Finance, Sunlight Financial, Foundation Finance, and Enhancify. So let me get one note real quick for y'all. That'll help out. I just looked at my one typed up, and there's a couple things that's missing. Oh, right here. Oh. For Sunlight Financial. Sorry about that. But they have a decent program. Okay, yeah. So GreenSky, talking about fees. We'll talk about fees first. GreenSky, you're gonna pay anywhere between 2 and 10%. Sometimes using with them. On top of that, they say it's a no-fee program, but you have to get paid through a credit card processor. Also, with their program, you can actually get charged back that credit card if a person stops paying. Most of the other programs I checked into didn't have that, but you'll have to check exactly once you set up with somebody. It's always good to have a few different options also. There's also one more that I forgot. It's called Fund My Deductible, and we'll go into that. That's a pretty specialized product. It's main for deductibles, but they're looking into some other options as well. Service Finance is the next one. They charge 4 to 7% of each job once they're funded. Sunlight Financial, they charge for certain products like the 0%. Foundation Finance, they have a risk fee. So credit scores of 6 to 675, but they will go down to 600. But that fee is anywhere from 2 to 20%, so it could be pretty hefty. Now, if you got somebody with $1,000 deductible, it's not life or death, obviously. But if you're on the other end, yeah, you don't want it really. If you were having to pay 20% on a $30,000 job, there goes all your profit. So, or you'd have to be charging the person a lot more. So, and the next one is Foundation Finance. Oh, we already talked about that one. And then we have Enhancify. So there's a lot different program. I like it. It would really require you to be somebody that's doing a decent amount of work. You know, if you're doing 50 plus jobs that people typically want to finance their deductibles, they'd be somebody I would look into. Now their fees on the front end, you're just, to be part of their program, you're paying between $999 and $5,000, and they've got 3 different ones. They have the $999 where they just set you up. They have the $14.99, I believe it is, and on that one they give you assistance, they train your people, and on $5,000 they hold your hand. So if you're a large company doing a lot of financing, that's what I would do. With Enhancify, they're the only program that I found that they actually pay you for using their service. So yeah, you're paying that upfront fee, but you're getting a minimum of $50 for each person that you finance. But it's 0.375%, so a little less than 1%. But anything over $15,000, you're actually going to get over $50. So if you're doing large jobs and you're financing them, this could be a good option for you. Also, they're not charging you guys fees for zero interest or anything like that, whereas a lot of them do. On to Fund My Deductible. This company was set up by roofers in Texas because of issues getting paid the depreciation. So with them, it's actually, you're technically financing it. The payments go through them. There's a 6% fee on those. This is really for the people that don't have money and don't have credit to get anything else. You're basically the bank, and they're helping out with the process. And this is because of the fact some of the insurance companies have decided to not release depreciation. So that's why they came out with that program. Most of the products have the same as cash, a 0% interest product, and most of them charge a fee. Enhancify does not charge a fee for that. Credit score requirements are all across the board. The one that goes down the lowest is Enhancify. I don't have that in front of me, unfortunately. Yeah. I was almost prepared for you guys today. Anyways, so now custom branded, Enhancify is the only one that I know that does that. Not a huge deal, but if you're just sending somebody to that, that works out pretty good for you guys. Business requirements, this is a big thing. Foundation and Enhancify and Fund My Deductible all work with new companies. Green Sky 1 to 2 years. Most of you have seen Dimitri with that, and some things say 2 years, some people say 1. So that's kind of up in the air. But Service Finance is 1 year, and Sunlight, I believe, is 1 year as well. Yeah, 1 year or over. With online reputation. So they just want to make sure that you're actually a company. And Foundation Finance, they want to see an online presence as well. Now the loan amounts, Service Finance goes from $1,000 to $100,000. Sunlight's $2,500 to $100,000. Foundation Finance is $1,000 to $100,000. Enhancify is $1,000 to $100,000. Fund My Deductible, that I'm not exactly sure. We were supposed to have another meeting, but because of everything that happened in Texas last week, that hasn't happened yet. But I want to get this information out to you guys. If you guys want any more information on this or anybody to talk to at any of these places, you can definitely contact me. I can be reached at 720-296-6618. That's my cell phone. You can call or text that. Leave me a voicemail if I don't answer because I'm oftentimes in meetings, or you can email me at jason@furtadolaw.solutions. So hopefully this information was helpful to you guys. And once again, if you guys need help with your supplements or your estimates, we're still doing that $50 estimate program. If you guys want to look into our services, contact us. Have a great day.